morning, guys. We started our day with a tasty breakfast at a cafe in a Palolem Beach. Location is there in the description. Now we are moving to our new stay, which is on Palolem Beach, Palm Breeze Suites, which we booked via Airbnb. This suite has basically open kitchen concept, which is really good, and also a bedroom attached with washroom and all. Total cost per day was around 2000, and it was just 100 meters from the Palolem Beach, which was good. It was raining outside, so we decided to stay and make some pakoras and chai for the snacks. Palolem Beach is one of the beautiful and less crowded beach in the South Goa. Next morning, we took ferry ride. It cost us around 1500 rupees per couple, which includes the dolphin sightseeing, honeymoon beach, beautiful rock formations, and the butterfly beach. You will get all these rides from the Palolem beach itself. On the ferry ride, we actually saw some dolphins, but unfortunately, we are not able to shoot those. So, guys, if you are lucky, you will also able to see some dolphins. We also visited Rajbag Beach, which was surrounded by beautiful private property of Lalit. It was also a very less crowded and kind of a private beach to visit. Our Goa trip is about to end. Now we are heading towards Madgaon railway station.
हेलो गाइस, वी आर हियर एट मडगांव रेलवे स्टेशन। हम ट्रेन से जर्नी करने वाले हैं। बहुत सारे लोगों को ये पता नहीं होता कि ट्रेन में भी फूड ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर होता है, तो इसीलिए मैं ये स्पेशल वीडियो बना रही हूँ कि आप कैसे फूड ऑनलाइन ट्रेन में अपने सीट पे मंगा सकते हैं।
You need to download Rail Resto app on your mobile phone. Then enter your PNR number. It will show you the list of restaurants that are available at particular stations. You can choose on basis of the restaurant which you are looking for. There are various options. For us it was really a one hotel option, so we are ordering from the same. Now you can see the multiple meal options like desserts, starters. So basically you can choose whatever you would like to order. I'm basically ordering veg pulao, and we are feeling to indulging a dessert, so we are also ordering a gulab jamun as our dessert. Once you are done with the order, you can see all the order items in your cart, and once you confirm, you can proceed. Now here basically you will see the order details. You have to enter your 10-digit mobile number as well as the email ID for the contact. As you already entered your PNR number, you can see your seat, and also you can enter some special instruction if you want some cutlery or something. So restaurant also provide that service. Now you can choose an option of net banking or a Paytm or a cash on delivery as per your convenience, and you just have to place your order, and yeah, that's it. Your order is placed, and you will also receive a message notification. Now our train has arrived the Miras Junction, and we also have received our order, and now we are going to enjoy our meal. Though our Goa trip is ended, but we created some beautiful memories to cherish forever. I hope you liked the series of these Goa vlogs. Please do let me know in comment section. Keep watching SK's Food Mania guys. Until that time, stay tuned, stay happy.